We've constructed the square numbers and the triangular numbers. Now let's construct the pentagonal numbers. The first pentagonal number is, of course, just 1. And the second we get just by putting the vertices of a pentagon into the picture, and we get, of course, 5. Now to construct the next one, we're going to construct a pentagon around a pentagon. So here's our first pentagon, and then we construct a second pentagon here. Then, using the same spacing of points we did in the first pentagon, we locate points all around the second. And what we really think of is, here's a unit distance, and we construct the pentagon out of segments, each having a unit distance. And each time we do that, we put the vertices, or the endpoints of that segment down, and this is what we end up with. Now, you see we end up with 5, but then we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get 12. The next pentagonal number, we'd start with, well, that's going to be a really bad looking pentagon, but let's just go ahead and pretend. Okay, right there is a pentagon with 5 vertices. If we extend this out to another vertex, then we're going to have to go 2 units out here, then 2 units down here, and then 2 units back here. And if we now do a third pentagon, it's going to come all the way up here and all the way out here. And you see how far we're going to have to go. Each side of this pentagon is, of course, 3 units long. And now we've got the fourth pentagonal number. Now we've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 vertices to get 22, which is our fourth pentagonal number. We could continue the sequence, but let's see if we've got a pattern. Okay, we've got 1, 5, 12, 22. Now what's the difference here? We added 4, then we added 7, and now we're adding 10. Well, this sequence has a common difference of 3, so that we could continue the process, and this will work. The next number here is 3, so we're going to add 3 to 10 to get 13. And then we're going to have to add the 13 to the 22 and get 35. And if you construct the next pentagonal number, which will have 4 pentagons flaring out here, you'll get, I believe, 35 vertices.